What is up everyone, Kuya Enzo here, and for today's video, we are going to be continuing playing Super Mario Odyssey Luncheon Kingdom Part 2. So let's start guys, let's start the gameplay in 3, 2, 1. Let's get our... So for a long time guys, I'm back. Yep, looks like I have returned from my exam. So guys, I'll give you some updates on about my exam, since I told in the community post that I will not be posting some videos due to my exam. So lately, my exam has done good, and yeah, especially my projects like the performance task, it went well. So yeah, it went well, guys. So now let's see where we've been. So I guess we're stuck in here yet. Oh wait. Where am I gonna go next? No cannon there. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Right, let's go. Oh, dang. Alright, 3, 2, 1, lunch. Okay, what happens if I click this? Oh, thank God. Alright, so let's enter this thing. Oh, the Super Mario, the pixel. No! Come on. Right, guys. Here we go. Right. Come on. Right, good. Right. Oh, no! I need the coins. I need those coins. No! Okay, never mind. At least we still have some extra hearts. It's important. Come here. Come on. Hold on, let me fix the microphone. Right. Alright. I hope. Oh, sorry about that microphone. I was testing the microphone. I'm really sorry if you had to hear that. Right. So, there we go. No! What? Oh, wait. Go on. Right. Oh. Jump! Never mind. Okay. Jump! Oh, thank God. Oh, dang, guys. Dang! Right. Let's, Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I got it, so I need to jump. This. Oh, wait. I know this one. You need to light it up. Yup, you need to light it up. And there we go. Got another power moon. Nice. Alright, got another power moon. And let's continue. Right. Bridge. Okay. There we go. Oh, here we go. We're gonna fight the boss now. Alright, let's fight the boss. Right, let's go. Let's find the boss. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. I got some extra hearts. Oh, up. Jumpers. Dang. Jump. Don't they dare do that. Oh wait, yay, got some coins. What type of jump? Okay. Come on. Yippee. It's like, let's climb up. Some climbing. Come on. Sweating right now. I'm like doing parkour. Sweating. I'm just raging, guys, because this really is full of the obstacle course in this game. Hey, bro, the obstacle courses are freaking me out. Oh my goodness, guys, these obstacle courses are freaking me out. Right. Alright. Jump, 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 jump. Okay? Yeah. Come on, we're gonna beat the boss. Sweating. Oh, got the flag. I'm just screaming right now, guys. I'm really sorry if I'm screaming. Because, dude, the obstacle courses are freaking me out. Sorry for screaming, guys. I swear, man. I'm sorry for screaming, guys. I'll try not to scream. In this time, I'll try not to scream. Alright. Alright. Oh, okay, here we go. We're gonna battle the boss. Right. We're gonna battle the boss. So, what are we gonna do? Is the bird gonna vomit or something? Or what? Is he gonna like... Oh, wait. Because I did see some videos of the bird vomits. And that's how you're gonna beat her. That's how you're gonna beat the bird. Because the bird vomits. Oh, there you go. She vomits. The bird vomits. Come on. Right. Tremendous. Indeed it is, Cappy. Alright. Let's go. Alright. God, come on. Please help me. Okay. Come on. Up. Here we go. I'm just gonna do the Mario accent. Hey, no! Yes, we did it. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. This is really intense, dog. I can admit, this is really intense. Come on. It's really intense, guys. Come on, get in. Up. Never mind, I just lost that. Bro, I just got the heart and yet I lost it? Oh, dang, bro. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Excuse me. Oops. Oh, come on! Okay. No! Oh, I blundered! Oh, please. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Oh, another one. Okay. Got a heart here. Alright, let's go. Go, come on. Let's go. Come on, you can do it, Mario. Right, another one. Dude. Come on, sweating. No! Oh my goodness! Almost defeated it. Oh my god. Come on. Oh god. Please. Jump. You gotta be kidding me. Please! Yes! I defeated it. My goodness, guys. We defeated the bird. My goodness. My goodness, the rage, guys, the rage. I'm really sorry for raging, but dang, we defeated the bird. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got all the moons. Wait, did we get the moons? we get all the moons? We just only got 3. I think there's still leftovers. I think like 5 or 4. How many do we have? 5, 4, 3, or maybe 6, 8, 7. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got 5 more. Yeah, 5 more. But alright, let's do some hunting. Excuse me. Alright, let's do some moon hunting. I'll get some moons for a while, power moons. Okay. Get some moons. Right. There you go. Go. This one. Oops. Oh, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Alright. Let's move. Alright. Oh, never mind. Wrong area. Okay, let's go. Oops, I'm so sorry. Oh wait, no. Oh wait. Should be transferring here in the Odyssey. Now I know. Oh wait, I just figured out something. Hold on. Right. Excuse me. Alright. Let's go. Oh, you know what? I lost my power-ups. I lost all my extra hearts. Sad. But yeah, let's continue. Let's get continuing. Alright. Come on. Here we go. Nice and steady. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, another power moon. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I just wasted. Oh, wait. You know what? Wait. What? Okay, never mind. Okay, another power moon. Run. Hoping for this is a power moon. Oh, yeah, it is. Run. Okay. Let's get that other half. Okay, other moon. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Right. How many? Oh, we only need like 2 moons. Yep. Got it, guys. We got it. 2 moons left. Now all you have to do is find some moons. Let's find some power moons. I really need to find some power moons. Wait, wrong. Right. And there we go. What are we gonna try and find some more power moons, guys? Dang. Oh, wait, it's like a slot machine. Right, let's get some power moons. No! Close! Oh my goodness. Yeah, slot machines, man. Heart. Okay. Oh, I failed again. Alright. Another one again. Alright. No. Oh, yeah, never mind. Yeah, I quit. No. I want to retry again. Retry. Bro, I'm just wasting my money now. As long as I really need the moons, bro. I really need those power moons. Okay. Oh, not at bad timing. Okay, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Amuka aning. Oh my god. Yes. There. Yes. Yes. All right, we got it. Right, we got it. And right, let's find some coins. Right, I'm gonna buy more merch. Alright, one more to go. Alright. Oh wait, haven't I got this one yet? Oh yeah, I did. I need to get to the store, buy some merchandise. Let me buy some merch. Oh yeah, you already bought the power moon. Okay. Yeah, chef hat. Wait, what did I get? Oh, never mind. But I literally just forgot what I bought in the... Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I need to buy this. Souvenirs. I forgot I'm still wearing the sailor's hat. The sailor uniform. From Seaside Kingdom. Alright, we got it. We got it, everyone. All I need is one power moon. Right, let's go ahead and oh, there we go. You got one. Okay, come here. Oh, I do need coins. Come here. I do need coins. Help me, I need coins. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh, not bad timing. Okay. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, let's go. Okay, get these. Oh, no. Come on. Okay. Alright, we got it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Here we go. Just open this thing. Alright, let me search for power moons. I hope I can find some power moons in here. Mercy on me, I hope I can find some. Oh, we got it! We got it! We finished Luncheon Kingdom! Yes, we finished it! Alright, you know, I'm out of here. Guys, I'm out of here, man. I'm going back. I'm going back to the Odyssey. I'm gonna move to the next kingdom, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Dang, this video is full of rage, dogs. Dang. I'm sorry for the rage, guys. I didn't mean to rage. I was really shocked. And yeah, I'm back also from vlogs. So next Saturday, guys, there will be new videos. New videos on next Saturday. And yeah, we finished Luncheon Kingdom. And let's go. The Odyssey has powered up. Alright. Here we go. Yup, Bowser's Kingdom is next. So yeah, guys. So I'll end the video here for today, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all, and have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Kuya Enzo out. Bye bye guys. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.